main objectives of this session will be to introduce the concept of exploratory data analysis, to introduce the methods in exploratory data analysis, and I will be able to show you the same exploratory data analysis, how it can be done in Python and SPSS, and to help you understand and interpret the results obtained. So the first aspect that you should be able to go through is, as discussed, exploratory data analysis will be able to help you to summarize the main characteristics of the data. It will be able to help uncover relationship between different variables, and it will be able to help extract important variables. For example, if we are trying to predict the car price, how should we actually go about? So in exploratory data analysis, remember that the first step that we have to look at is what is called as descriptive statistics. Now, descriptive statistics is able to give you the basic features of the data set and a short summary about the sample and measures of the data. So in descriptive statistics, remember that for numerical variables, when it comes to descriptive statistics, we have got various summary statistics, like you have got mean, standard deviation, you have got quartiles, extreme values, everything else. Now when it comes to categorical variables, we are looking at which are the data types, what is the frequency of the various data types are. So first what I will do is I'll try to show you how it is done in first SPSS, and once we have looked into SPSS, I'll come back to Python and show you the results. So if we go to the new share, now remember the data sets has been already provided to you. All you have to do is today morning I have sent you the new data set also. Now this is how the SPSS looks like. Okay. Now in the SPSS, what I have done is, in the data view, you have got all the data which is there, and when you go to in terms of the variable view, I have named all the labels. In the previous video you have got the details as to how do we name it, how do we label it, and how do we key in those value labels also for each one of the data set. And remember that most of the numeric data are referred to as scale measures. When it comes to in terms of categorical data, we have mostly in terms of nominal data sets. So if I go to data here, as shown before also, if I go to descriptive statistics, frequencies, now what I will be doing is, I want to look into the frequencies or descriptive statistics for only in terms of the numeric data. So numeric data, you will be able to notice it gives you as a scale measure. So if I go on selecting price, age, kilometer, horsepower, cc, then doors, whichever are the scale variables which are there. So I'm using control, and then I'm selecting all these variables. So if I go and select all these variables, and then I'll go to the statistics measures. Now remember, in statistics, since I am interested in the summary statistics of the numeric data, I will be able to get measures of central tendency first. I'll be able to get measures of dispersion, which is range, minimum, maximum, standard error. You have got distribution, which is either skewness or in terms of kurtosis. Here you have got quartiles. So it will be able to give you in terms of which is the quartile 1, quartile 2, quartile 3. Remember that quartile 2 is always your median values. Similarly, when it comes to percentile, if you want specific percentile, okay. So for example, I am looking at 10 percentile. I'll just go and just add it as 10. I'm looking for example, 25th percentile. I'm looking for here 50th percentile, which is nothing but in terms of median. Then I'm looking at 75th percentile. If I go on adding in this way, and then if I say continue, and remember, I am not selecting in terms of the charts as of now. I'll come to the charts later. So I'll display the frequency tables and then say OK. Now you will be able to notice that SPSS will be able to give you the output of each and every variable which is there. So you have got all these frequencies, everything else. When I come to this part, what SPSS is able to do is SPSS is able to describe the numerical data according to the various statistics that I have asked for. So you have got mean, median, mode, standard deviation, variance, skewness, kurtosis, range, minimum, maximum, sum. So just remember, and percentiles also, wherein the 50th percentile which is there is 9900, which is similar to your median value of 9900. So if you have numeric data, if you have to get summary statistics of the numeric data, just go to, in terms of analyze, descriptive statistics, then frequencies, select all the numeric data and then go for it. So you are able to get all these statistics which is there for a numeric data. So let's go to